Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, let us see today what's the current feelings of your partner and what your partner is going through. Let's see. Your person is very hopeful about the situation right now. The light he is seeing, the light from universe is guiding your person completely right now. What I am getting the intuition is person is guided by universe. Just seek how he is asking for answers from the universe. Universe is guiding your person. Your person wants to make a new beginning with you, a new beginning in life completely. A person has changed. He wants to make a new beginning and accelerated motion. Your person is maybe a person is consulting someone, or maybe a person maybe consult some tarot card readers or something like that. I feel your person is definitely looking at the stars, so definitely person wants to know what is written in his or her stars. That's for sure, because a person wants to know, okay, what is the future of that person, or what is the future with the third party or you. Your person is definitely consulting, but your person is very hopeful about life and they want to make a new beginning. See, what's your beautiful cards? At present, your person is resting and regenerating. He is completely in a meditation mode, and they are seeking answers from the universe. That's for sure. They are seeking answers from the universe. Have so many questions, so many doubts. They want universe to answer. They are seeking answers from universe, and they are hopeful they will get the answers. They are very hopeful about it, and they know they will get the answer because they are manifestor kind of persons, and they know they will come in union with you. If they have planned about you, they want to come in union with you. That's for sure. A person wants to come in union with you. See, your person again and again, same card is coming. Your person is gaining wisdom right now. They are trying to get knowledge about you, the third person, everyone. They are consulting. Definitely, they are consulting someone about what to do and what not to do. Maybe they are going to some spiritual gurus or something like that, some spiritual priest, or they are consulting some people about their future and about you, about your family, or their third party, about something. They are definitely consulting right now, but at present this card is coming to reverse. A person is not balanced at all. He or she is not balanced. They don't know how to do it. They are imbalanced right now. They need balance in life. Because of that, they are regenerating. They are meditating because they are not in balance. So they need balance in life to grow. Because if you want to grow with someone, you want to express your love to someone, you need to be balanced first. If you are happy from inside, you can help you can be happy, you can make happy whom you are in love with. Unless and until they are happy from inside, they can't germinate this fruit. Na? You see this fruit germinating. They want this kind of relationship with you, but at present they are at balanced, and that's why they were meditating and they are trying to gain wisdom right now. A person. See, your person is moving on in life. They are definitely trying to move on from a life, that the things that are not serving them. They want to move on from things that are disturbing them, that is a third party or any other situation that is bothering them. They are trying to move out of the situation. I can see that. But previously, a person was making choices because you choose wisely, but now your person know he or she has only one choice, and who is the right person for that. So this card has come in the reverse. This shows me the person knows who is made for them, that they know, definitely knows, and they want to begin a love life with you. They're definitely thinking of a love life with you. They have a heart is full of love right now, and they want to begin a new life with you. Now see what is the oracle cards are saying to say us. See, the sacral chakra card has come into a reverse. So definitely the sacral chakra of you or your partner is not activated right now. So you need to work on this chakra. Sacral chakra is related to our hobbies, our talent, our addictions. Maybe a person is into the addictive behavior, some kind of either you are in some kind of addictive behavior. You need to work on your sacral chakra right now. you need, in order to spread your wings, if you want to spread your wings, move ahead in life, you want to shine in life, you need to work on your sacral chakra right now. And you and your person both are making dedicated efforts. I can see efforts from both the sides. Both are making efforts to move on in life, to make a to start a new beginning in life, or to make something, so that you both can come closer to each other. They are working on this kind of scenario. This is the kind of future they see with you. So they are trying to paint that future. They are painting that future in their mind, in their thinking. They are working a lot on this. I can say your person is working a lot. See, you need to release first whatever things are bothering you and your person. You both need to release that the baggage that is bothering you, the past life baggage, or past whatever has happened in both of you, whatever bad things or anything that was not good. You need to release all those things. You don't need to think about those things again and again. So release all those things in there, whatever is bothering you or your person. Your person is also releasing all those things, because in order to manifest love, you either, in order to manifest love, the love abound, definitely abundance of love is there in your life. In order to manifest all those things, you need to release all those things in the life. So angels are guiding you to release all those things that is negative and that is not serving you, so that you can have the abundance in life. See, clear answers are coming. You have lot of expectations right now. Even your person is having a lot of expectations. Both of you have expectations from each other, and your pathway, your clear pathway is there. You know my who is my love. Even your person has now realized who is my love, and they know this is my path. And just see the butterflies, so many butterflies. So when you see butterflies, when so many butterflies at times, is a sign of reunion. Also you can say that your person wants to come towards you, because a marriage or long term commitment is there on your person's mind. They are thinking about marriage or long term commitment, or you are thinking a lot about marriage and commitment, because this is your expectation from your person. This you are expecting, that's for sure. You want marriage or long term commitment with your person, and a person is thinking about that. Even your person is thinking about that. See, your person is thinking how much ever abundance he or she has, but without love, they are very, very poor. They know that without love, a person is not fulfilled. They are not happy. That's for sure. They know that your person very, very clearly now understood, or is understanding all those things, the meaning of love, the meaning of wealth, how wealth or other things can't satisfy your person, because they feel poor without you. They feel less privileged without you, that's for sure. Your person is getting this insight right now. Your person is getting insight right now. Friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Say seventh chakra, air cleanser. You need to in order to gain insight, you need to activate your crown chakra. A person's crown chakra is activating, and you see this crown how it's shining and all. Your person is getting guidance from the universe. They are trying to gain knowledge. They are trying to gain wisdom. That's for sure. A person is trying to activate your crown chakra, and they have little financial constraints also. I feel your person is having little bit of financial constraints. Because of that, that's a big obstacle between both of you. They are trying to solve their financial constraints, but in future I definitely see blossoming abundance. As soon as they will solve their this financial constraints, I see abundance coming in you and your person's life. 3 is the number of Jupiter, and Jupiter is considered associated with wealth and everything. So I feel blossoming abundance, but it will take time in your life. It will take time for this blossoming abundance to come in your life. It will take patience, because there are a lot of financial constraints and other constraints going on in your person's life. Okay friends, if you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.